Hello family, you are welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Raya of Edways and Treasures. Please kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I drop simple tricks on how to achieve Edways and similar products. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always reaching out to this channel. Today we'll be talking about how you can achieve the loop at the back side of this Zarah cap with a very tiny fabric. I have already made a video of how to achieve Zarah cap, which the link will be available in the description box. So guys, this is how I achieve the back design with this little piece of material. The piece I'm holding right here measures 15 inches in length, and the width is 7.5 inches. That is, if you are making use of ashoki, that 7.5 inches is almost the same length as ashoki width. Rather, that width, that one line over way is almost the same size. So the length you can make use of 15, 16, 17 inches length, but for this I'll be making use of 15 inches length because my fabric is quite small. So what I'm going to do first is to fold this fabric like this. This is the 15 inches length, so you fold it into two. Then you're going to mark the center. You can make use of your chalk, but for me I'll just split it like this. So you open it up. After opening it up, you can see that the pleat is lined right here. So you are going to fold it from here. So you are going to fold it from here like you fold it into two like this. While you are folding it into two, make sure that this edge exceeds the middle point a little bit. See, look at it. This is the middle point, so this is about ½ inch, so make sure it exceeds the middle point a little bit. So this is it. Then the second one, you make it lap on the first one with about ½ inch, the same way we did for the first one. So you make it lap, you see, you make it, so you see like this, you make it lap like this. Make sure that the edges are equal. Then you can pin it down here, pin here, pin here, pin here, pin here. We are going to stitch it down. After you must have pinned it. So let's stitch it down. After stitching it down, you see it's looking like pockets. So you are going to turn it. You can trim out the excesses. If there is any, trim it out. After trimming out the excesses, you are going to turn it to the right side. Like this. One of this thing will be inside, one of this edge will be inside, and the one of it will be outside. That means you get it right. You have that result. So you can just iron it, press it down. Then after pressing it down, you measure the length. This is 7 inches, and the width is a little bit. It exceeds 6 inches, but we are going to be making use of 6 inches. It exceeds 6 inches with 0.25. So this wording I'm holding right here is 7 inches by 6 inches, like I told you earlier. So you're going to insert it. Cut it. You're going to insert it into this. Just insert it. You can decide to make use of what do you call it? You can make use of breast pad. We don't want to make use of this wording, but there is no light here, so I'm making use of this hard wording. You can look at the results. So after you must have inserted like this, and make sure that yes, it is not folded. So you are going to look at it. This is the line, this is the pocket. So you are going to place it down like this. Then you start to form your pleats. Look at it. See, this is the wrong side. Just fold it. Like make sure you are picking this thing, the second one. Make sure you are picking everything together. So this is the result. Then you take your needle and thread to secure it. So use your needle and thread to secure it down. See, they are equal. So if you do the same, you're going to achieve the same results. So the next thing, you should just pack it. Just pack it. Pack it down. This is the result. Then the next thing you're going to be doing is to this edge and this edge. You're going to pack it. Cut it. Place it on top of each other like this. Just tack it down. Please, if you have watched this tutorial to this end and you are yet to give it a thumbs up, please do drop your comments on how you feel about this video. Don't forget to hit on subscription button, as that is the only way you can encourage me to do more of this video. You see, make sure that the tacking is very neat and invisible. Cut it. So this is the result. Ta-da! This is the result. You see? But as for this part, we're going to be making use of one applique, any applique. Just open it like this. Glue the applique, glue down the applique, and close it up. Then you glue it to the back of the cap. You want to attach it. You want to attach it, just glue it to the back of the cap you want to attach it, and you are good to go.